Awesome. That's cool. So I guess you need to go ahead and peel one of these off, lay it on the bottom, and then lay this on top and put your cards in. Hey, check this out, Justin. This thing's awesome. Go ahead and snug it up a little bit with the tool. Alright, so we'll do each one of those and get it ready. Cool. Alright, I'll show you. So put that on top and then put the put those in all of the holes. And then we're going to flip it over. You may have to jiggle a little bit. You don't have to. Alright, now we got to flip it without letting this fall out. Alright, now set your cards in. Alright, cool. So we need to peel this one and put it on. Alright. And then you just gentle screw those on. Alright, lift it up. Let me get this out of the way. Whoa, that's awesome. That's really cool. There's a little piece of some styrofoam in there now. Hey Justin, check it out. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Final product.
Mm-hmm.
So is it glass or plastic?
It's supposed to be like a Lucite plastic, but that just seems like Plexiglas.
It's acrylic. Some dust. Stuff.
Yeah, it's a little styrofoam. It was static electricity sticking to it. So we can get that off though. That's really neat, right? I like it.